Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today, we'll be showing you the proper technique for performing push-ups, a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength. Let's get started. Step 1. Before we begin, it's important to warm up your muscles. Start by doing some light cardio exercises like jogging in place or jumping jacks for about 5 minutes. This will get your blood flowing and prepare your body for the push-ups. Step 2. Let's talk about the correct hand placement for push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on the ground, fingers pointing forward. Make sure your wrists are aligned with your shoulders. Step 3. Positioning your body. Let's position your body correctly. Get down on all fours, keeping your arms straight and your hands firmly planted on the ground. Extend your legs behind you, balancing on your toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Step 4. Engaging your core. Before you begin the push-ups, engage your core muscles. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. This will help stabilize your body during the exercise. Step 5. Performing the push-up. Now it's time to perform the push-up. Begin by bending your elbows, slowly lowering your body towards the ground. Keep your back straight and your head in line with your spine. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground. Pause for a moment in this lowered position, and then push yourself back up by straightening your arms, keeping your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Remember to exhale as you push up. Step 6. Repetitions and sets. To get the most out of your push-ups, aim for 10 to 15 repetitions in each set. If you're a beginner, start with a lower number and gradually work your way up. Rest for about 60 seconds between sets, and aim to complete 2 to 3 sets. Step 7. Cool down. After you've completed your sets, it's important to cool down and stretch your muscles. Spend a few minutes doing some gentle stretches, focusing on your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Congratulations! You've learned how to perform push-ups correctly. Remember to start at your own fitness level and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. With regular practice, push-ups will help you build a stronger upper body. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.